In a recent episode of the hit reality TV show The Masked Singer, the premiere took an unexpected turn when a masked contestant was revealed to be an actor who has faced serious allegations. Rolling Stone reports that the comic actor, whose identity was previously concealed, was correctly guessed by one of the show's panelists, Ken Jeng, the unmasking caused significant stir among viewers and social media users, as it was revealed that the actor in question has been accused of sexual misconduct on two separate occasions. This revelation has sparked further debate about the inclusion of individuals with controversial backgrounds on popular television programs. For those who are not familiar with The Masked Singer, the show features celebrities performing in elaborate costumes while a panel of judges try to guess their identities. The contestants' identities remain a secret until they are eliminated, and a massive premiere of the show's 10th season created excitement and anticipation among fans. But it quickly turned into a controversial spectacle. The unmasking of the actor accused of rape sent shockwaves through the audience, who were left questioning the show's decision to feature individuals with such allegations. Despite the show's attempt to provide entertainment and mystery, the inclusion of a contestant with a controversial background has raised ethical concerns. Some argue that by featuring individuals who have been accused of serious crimes, the show is indirectly promoting their fame and potentially downplaying the seriousness of their actions. On the other hand, supporters argue that everyone is innocent until proven guilty, and that it is important to give people a platform to prove their innocence. To tell their side of the story, this incident serves as a reminder of the ongoing debate surrounding the responsibility of entertainment industry gatekeepers, such as television networks and producers. On the classic, this performance not only showcases the immense talent of these musicians, but also highlights the power of collaboration in the music industry. The unmasking of the actor accused of sexual misconduct has undoubtedly created a stir and sparked intense discussions about the ethical boundaries of reality TV. It is worth mentioning that this news article contains spoilers for those who have not yet watched the episode. Viewers should proceed with caution if they wish to avoid knowing the unmasked contestant's identity beforehand.